Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make your own aromatherapy massage oil from scratch. Massage aromatherapy relaxes muscles and promotes blood circulation in the body. It also stimulates the skin and has a calming effect on the mind with the help of the essential oils used. There is a wide variety of oils to choose from. You can use grapeseed oil that is known for its high level of linoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acid, and antioxidant. Or you can use avocado oil, famous for having a high level of vitamin A, B, D, and E, and palmitoleic acid. Please browse your module for the list of common base oils and its benefits, and popular essential oils and its benefits as well. In essence, massage oils are used to lubricate the skin in order to lessen the friction while doing a massage. Most massage oils are a combination of base oil and essential oil or fragrance oils. The essential characteristic of a massage oil is the preservation system. You will need an antioxidant to prevent your oils from going rancid. Now, first of all, set everything including your tools, raw materials, scale, and containers. Make sure to work in a clean and sterile workplace. Prepare and measure carefully all your ingredients from your base or carrier oils down to your preservatives. And make sure to always stir or set your scale to 0 before pouring your ingredients. Don't forget to include your container in stirring so that you will only weigh your ingredients. Please refer to your module the exact percentage and measurements provided. This premium aromatherapy massage oil contains high-grade oils such as soybean, grapeseed, sunflower, avocado, and almond oil. However, don't limit yourself to these oils. You can explore different kinds of oils and reap its benefits. Vitamin E is another key ingredient in your product because of the fact that vitamin E has dual function. It is an anti-aging and antioxidant that would prevent your oil from going rancid. So now that you're done weighing all your ingredients, time to make your own premium aromatherapy massage oil. You can use any stirring tools in mixing your solution, either glass rod, plastic, or stainless spoon. But it is best to use glass rod together with glass beakers to prevent cross-contamination. You might be confused what to use between essential oil or fragrance oil. You can use either of the two, and take note that essential oils coming from nature doesn't mean it's safe on your skin. Likewise, just because fragrance oil is synthetic doesn't mean it's unsafe. You should know by now the maximum percentage allowed. Now that we're done, time to pour your output to your desired container and label it. You can use transparent bottle, but it's best to store your oil in amber bottle to prolong its shelf life. And we're done! Enjoy your aromatherapy massage oil, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to email us or send us a message at our Facebook page, Skincare DIY Point. Stay safe. Goodbye!